What was kind of the draw to becoming an engineer?
Started with high interest in cars and planes, and cars kind of provided an option that was easier to go with and get more experience in.
Well, it's kind of interesting. When I was a kid, I just thought, I want to be an astronomer, I want to be an astrophysicist or something like that. And but at the same time, I didn't have a lot of connection to it. So I would get magazines, but they were probably above my level, and I didn't have anybody to necessarily connect me to that.
The biggest connection that this generation has with that kind of stuff now is movies and entertainment. That's kind of the only exposure that we get right now.
So have you guys ever thought about some space-related fields, some sort of space technology engineering as a career option after university?
I would think about maybe the private space industry, but when I imagine NASA, I imagine an aging company who's stuck in its ways, and getting at the ground floor, you'd be asked to learn a culture that's been just sort of set in.
Well, hopefully we'll be in Boeing, NASA, or one of the companies that works for them, doing something high performance.
In 10 years, I could be at Xerox designing printers instead of going to the moon, so hopefully things change here in the next couple of years.
What do you think some of the benefits that NASA has given the American people and the people of just the Earth in general?
It's the idea that the boundaries we're pushing the boundaries all the time, and that allows for creative enterprise and creative research and things that you want to do. Like, that's really cool. So
a human has not set foot on Mars, but I think when that happens, we will have that same, at least a similar reaction as a society to when years ago when we landed on the moon. And then that may spark controversy and interest in NASA and space travel again. The thing is, though, is that in order to get that point, we need those engineers, like you said, and we need the money. So how do we get there?
I'm with the spaceman right now.
I hope you got all that, man.